Nowadays, there still has many customers using arc welding and other traditional welding methods in the process of production. There are some defects of traditional welding because of the high energy consumption. In order to meet the market demand, we XinTian launched a handheld laser welding machine. The handheld welding head is equipped with 8 to 10 meters imported optical fiber, strong welding ability and fast speed, such as welding stainless steel with a gentle pull. The weld performance is perfect and not deformed. Flexible and convenient, it can achieve the welding of any angle of the workpiece. Easy to use and learn. Also, it can be operated by non-professional welders. XinTian handheld welding machine helps upgrading the process of furniture, shelves, machinery, and other industries.